Do you want to be educated by 4 different property professionals, all with different skills and experiences, where we're actually on the ground doing this day in, day out?
We want to bring you real examples with real strategies that work, while at the same time being real with you.
When I first got started, I had no money, I had no rich friends, I had no rich family. I really did not know how I could possibly get started.
My big win was in 2011, where I had bought enough properties that had enough passive income coming through that I could quit my job, and that's exactly what I did to build my wealth.
I bought my first property when I was still a teenager. I didn't do much with it because I had no money. So I held on to it for about 6 months, and then I sold that property for twice as much as I bought it for.
So we started buying our first property, we then bought another one, and we wound up basically being able to be financially free.
Come and join us, where we'll show you exactly what's working right now, what's going on in the market, world-class property training without the crazy price tag.